72. On the 85 John Deere, 2950 right there.
Hey, 5,289 hours.
5,289 hours only, guys. Again, as you can tell from looking around and going around here today, the way things look, they're running right out. Got service records, manuals, everything right inside goes right with it.
Come on, guys.
And here we go. Give 20,000 to go. Give 20,000 to go. Would have been 20, but 15,000. 15. I got 12. 12,000 on the internet. Now 13. You're already out, Sid. Hit 13 to go to 13. Hit 13,000 to get up at 13. 13 to go to 13. 14. Hit 14,000 to get 14. 14,000 to get 14. 14,000. 15,000. Hit 15,000 to go to 15. 15,000 to get 15. 15,000 to go to 15. Hit 14. Now 15. Now 16. Hit 16,000 to get up at 16. 16. 17. 17,000. Now 18,000 to get up at 18. Hit 18,000. How about 17,500? Does that help you? It's 17.5. Guys, you know the carrots had. It's 17.5 to get up at 17.5. 17.5 to get up at 17.5. It's 17,000. Now 5. 17.5. He said no, guys. Anybody else? 17.5 to get up at 17.5.
When you buy used tractors, you want to know what kind of care they've had. You can go to a dealer lot and you don't know where they come from. You know what you got here.
Exactly, guys. From walking around, you know what you're getting here today. You're getting a good, strong equipment that is ready to go to the field. You don't have to worry about it. It's been maintained. You can just tell that from being around here today. I got 17,000 with Kurt. 17.5 to go. We're now 18. 18,000 to get up at 18. 18,000 to get up at 18,000 to get up at 18. 18,000 to get up at 18. It's 17.5 with Sid. 18,000 internet. You're out. Hit 18,000 to get up at 18. 18. 17,750. Now 18. Same favor. That's the best I do. 17,750. 18,000. You come so far. 18,000 to get up at 18. Tomorrow's going to be too late. 18,000 to get up at 18,000 to get up at 18. 18,000. He said no. Anybody else? 18,000 to get up at 18,000. Sold it. 17,750. Kurt, your way. You got, Kurt? $9,000. That's a good.
I think they use this mainly for a power unit.
They used it mainly for a power unit?
Yeah. So
again, you can kind of tell that from the tires on it. She looks like brand new tires on it.
Power unit on the vacuum's what they used it on.
On the vac, okay. So not a lot of use, guys. Ready to go. I got 9, 10,000 to go. Hit 10,000 to go to the 10, would have been 10,000 to go to the 10. Hit 10,000 to go to the 10, but 10,000 to go to the 10, but 10,000 to go to the 10, would have been 10,000. Hit 9,000 on the internet, now 95. Hit 9,500 to get up at 95, 9,500 to get up at 95, but 9,500 to get up at 95, and now 10,000, now 10,5. Hit 10,5 and now 11,000, now 11,5 to get up at 11,5, 11,5 to get up at 11,5, 11,5 and now 12,000, now 5 but 12,5 to get up at 12,5. Hit 12,5 to get up at 12,5, 12,5 to get up at 12,5.
Knee deep in rubber.
Knee deep in rubber, all right. Hit 12.5 to go to 12.5. Between you and Kurt, I'm not going to be able to sell here in a minute. Hit 12.5 to go. Hit 12.5 to get up at 12,000 bid on the internet. Now 12.5. At 12.5 to get up at 12.5 to 12.5. Guys, take a look. Maintenance records and all running right out. Strong looking tractor. 12.5 to go. Hit 12.5 to get up at 12.5 to 12.5. Are you done? 12.5 to get up at 12.5. Sold it. $12,000 on the internet.
Ram Trucks, premier vehicle of Machinery Pete TV.